This is one of the most common jacket repairs. Let me show you how to fix a tear beside the pocket like a professional. Let's get started. First, we need access to the inside of the jacket. I opened the lining at the seam closest to the damaged pocket so I can easily reach the repair area. Open the lining just enough to give yourself easy access to the repair area. After opening the lining, we have access to the damaged area beside the pocket. We can clearly see the damaged area. After aligning everything carefully, we're ready to sew. Let's move to the sewing machine and start sewing. This is the most important step of the repair. I'll show it in slow motion so you can follow each step clearly. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to support the channel. First, I stitch the top part of the pocket placket. Then, carefully align the damaged edges and stitch as close as possible to the tear, just enough to hold the fabric together. Here is the corner of the pocket placket and the damaged area. I carefully aligned both parts and secured them with a single stitch. The stitching is done. Let's check the repair from the outside. As you can see, there's a slight bump at the bottom. I'll smooth it out with a longer, smoother stitch. The sewing is done. Now let's move on to pressing. Give the repaired area a good press to set the stitching and smooth everything out. As you can see, everything is nicely finished. The repair looks clean and neat. The final step is to close the opening in the lining. I close the lining from the inside as much as possible. Then I close the remaining 2 inches from the outside with a top stitch. The repair is complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this repair helpful, please like and subscribe. If you also have a hole in a skirt, click the next video on your screen to learn how to repair it professionally. See you there.